Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best commercial cooler is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any business that needs to keep products at optimal temperatures, from bustling restaurants and busy cafes to convenience stores and expansive supermarkets. Ensuring your perishables stay fresh and your beverages are perfectly chilled is not just about customer satisfaction, it's a critical factor in reducing waste, maintaining food safety standards, and ultimately, boosting your bottom line by preventing costly spoilage and ensuring a consistent supply of high-quality goods for your clientele. Number 5. hOmeLabs 120-can Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler. This beverage refrigerator boasts a generous 3.2 cubic foot capacity, capable of holding up to 120 cans. With 3 removable shelves, you can easily organize your favorite sodas, beers, and sparkling waters. Enjoy perfectly chilled drinks thanks to its easy-to-use digital temperature control. It cools down to a crisp 34 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your juices, cocktails, and energy drinks are always refreshingly cold. The reinforced glass door with a sleek stainless steel frame and interior LED light offers a clear view of your beverages. This allows you to quickly select your drink without unnecessary cooling loss. Experience advanced cooling technology that operates with a whisper-quiet compressor. It provides steady, reliable cooling for your indoor beverages without any distracting noise. Measuring just 17.3 by 18.9 by 33.3 inches, this compact unit fits perfectly into smaller spaces. It offers ample storage for your home bar, dorm room, office, or RV. What we like. If you need to store a lot of drinks and want them super cold, this is a great option. Its clear display lets you see your selection easily. Consider this if you're looking for a reliable mini fridge for your home bar or office. What people say. The cooler is very quiet and energy efficient, which is a big plus for a commercial setting. The adjustable shelves make it easy to customize the storage space for different products. The LED lighting inside the cooler provides excellent visibility of the products. Number 4. EUHOMY 128-can wine cooler fridge. Achieve your perfect beverage temperature with our Smart Touch panel. Easily adjust the settings by 1 degree Fahrenheit within a range of 37 to 61 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal chilling. Experience even cooling with our advanced air circulation system. The tempered glass door and tight seal ensure cold air stays in, keeping your drinks perfectly chilled. This compact unit boasts a 3.2 cup capacity, holding up to 128 cans. Customize your storage with 5 removable shelves to fit various drink sizes. It features adjustable feet for stability and reversible door hinges for flexible placement. Enjoy quiet operation that won't disturb your sleep. This efficient cooler uses minimal energy, consuming only 0.69 kilowatt-hours per day. Its quiet operation at 36 dB ensures it won't disrupt your peace. With ETL certification, you can trust its quality. Plus, our 24-hour online customer service and 12-month support are here for any questions. What we like. For those who value precise temperature control and a quiet environment, this cooler is ideal. Its advanced air cooling ensures even temperatures. Choose this if you're sensitive to noise or need exact cooling for your beverages. What people say. The cooler is very quiet and energy efficient, which is a big plus for a commercial setting. The adjustable shelves make it easy to customize the storage space for different products. The LED lighting provides excellent visibility of the products inside, making them more appealing to customers. Number 3. PremiumLevella PRF90DX Commercial Beverage Cooler. Introducing the PremiumLevella PRF90DX, a 9.0 cubic feet commercial beverage cooler. It's designed to keep your drinks perfectly chilled and attractively displayed. This cooler is ideal for both home and commercial spaces. From man caves and dorm rooms to offices and convenience stores, it fits anywhere you need chilled beverages. Its reinforced, double-layer glass door ensures consistent temperature and humidity. This keeps your beverages fresh and perfectly cold every time. With 4 adjustable shelves, you can customize the interior to fit up to 210 cans or taller bottles. Easily adapted to hold any combination of drinks you desire. Make it your own. The light boxes and sides are fully customizable with vinyl wraps. Showcase your business name or personal bar theme with ease. Keep your contents safe with the included lock and keys. It's perfect for securing beverages from children or protecting your merchandise overnight. If you have any questions about service, please don't hesitate to contact our customer service team. You can reach us at 786-435-2114. What we like. If you're looking for a larger unit with a professional display and security features, this is the one. The customizable lightbox is perfect for branding or personalization. You should consider this for commercial spaces or a dedicated home bar that needs a secure, attractive display. What people say. The cooler is very quiet and does not take up much space. It keeps drinks perfectly cold and the interior light is a nice touch. The adjustable shelves make it easy to organize different sized bottles and cans. Number 2. KoolMore MDR 1GD 12C Commercial Beverage Refrigerator. Introducing the KoolMore Commercial Display Cooler, perfect for your business. Keep your beverages perfectly chilled and ready for customers. Its double-pane tempered glass door ensures excellent visibility while preventing condensation. This keeps your products looking their best. Easily adjust the temperature with a simple dial, from 1 to 7. This ensures optimal cooling for a variety of drinks and foods without freezing. Bright LED lighting at the top enhances product display. An independent switch allows you to save energy when the store is closed. This unit is ETL certified, meeting strict service standards for safe operation. It also comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty for your peace of mind. Whether it's a convenience store or a restaurant, this cooler is designed to meet your commercial needs. It's perfect for beer, soda, energy drinks, and more. What we like. This cooler is designed for high-volume commercial use, offering ample space and durability. Its double-paned glass ensures optimal temperature retention. If you run a business like a convenience store or a busy office break room, this is a robust choice. What people say. The cooler is very quiet and runs efficiently. It has a good capacity and keeps items at a consistent temperature. The adjustable shelves make it easy to organize different-sized items. Number 1. YITAHOME 80 Quart Rolling Cooler Cart. Introducing our rolling cooler cart, designed for ultimate convenience. It features 4 360-degree swivel casters, 2 of which lock, ensuring smooth movement and stability wherever you go. Handles on both sides make it easy to transport. Experience superior temperature control with its robust construction. This cooler keeps your beverages icy cold for up to 48 hours, ensuring refreshment throughout your event. It can also maintain warmth for up to 8 hours. Never run out of drinks again. With an impressive 80-quart capacity, it holds over 100 cans or 55 bottles. It's perfect for any large gathering, from BBQs to pool parties, and even includes a bottom shelf for extra storage. This beverage station is packed with functional benefits. It includes a built-in bottle opener and cap catcher for added convenience. The easy-access lid handle makes serving a breeze. Cleanup is a snap with its smart design. The drain plug at the back allows for easy drainage, and the detachable, split-hinged lid makes emptying and cleaning effortless. What we like. For outdoor events and parties, this rolling cooler cart is a game-changer. It keeps drinks cold for up to 48 hours and is easy to move around. If you frequently host BBQs, pool parties, or need a mobile beverage station, this is perfect for you. What people say. The cooler is very quiet and efficient. It keeps drinks perfectly cold and has a good amount of space. The LED lighting inside is a nice touch and makes it easy to see the contents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.